Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Hershey's Milkshake, easy method. Gather 2 cups vanilla ice cream, 1 cup milk, and 3 tablespoons Hershey's syrup. Blend briefly until smooth and creamy, then taste and adjust sweetness. If you prefer a thinner shake, add 2 tablespoons more milk and blend again. Pour into a chilled glass and garnish as you like for a classic, nostalgic treat everyone will enjoy. Start by scooping 2 cups of vanilla ice cream into your blender, then pour in 1 cup milk and add 3 tablespoons Hershey syrup. Secure the lid and blend on medium-high for about 30 seconds until velvety. Use short pulses if you want more control over thickness. Taste and adjust with extra milk or syrup for sweetness. Pour into a chilled glass and enjoy each rich, chocolate-forward sip with a smile. To elevate your Hershey's milkshake, try simple tweaks like adding a pinch of salt to enhance chocolate flavor or stirring in 1/2 tsp vanilla extract. For a richer result, mix in 1 scoop peanut butter or swirl 1 tablespoon chocolate syrup into the finished shake. You can also fold in cookie crumbs or crushed candy for texture. These small changes keep the process easy while delivering big, delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.